Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Monday, February 7th. I know I said that we would draw for our grand prize baskets from our 9th anniversary today, but I honestly haven't had time to compile all of the online entries yet. So it will be tomorrow, but that doesn't mean you should turn me off just yet. We're going to watch today because we have beautiful 20 new beautiful colors of palette, which is honestly one of my very favorite blenders in the store. So this again is called Pellet by Marcia Derse for Windham. Um, and these are the 20 new colors. So let's flip through them. This one is called Cumin. I am a sucker for names. I am a self-proclaimed name nerd. So I love the names of fabric. I love the names of people. Turmeric, rust. That's a pretty rust. If only everything rusted like that. Mushroom, stone. Oh, you can't get enough grays. Grays are one of those tricky things that are sometimes green and sometimes blue. This is a great gray. We have cotton candy. Yum. Reminds me of the state fair. Brick. Oh, this is a great name. Lori and I were laughing about this name. This name is Murple. This is either mauve purple or maroon purple. You decide, but it's Murple, which I don't suggest as the next name for your next baby. Eggplant. This is Canary. That's a really nice yellow. Oh, I could have used that for my peaches. Orange cream. Yum. Mandarin. Everybody say hi to Roberta. Hi, Roberta. Lichen. We have shamrock. Perfect for next month. Go ahead and grab some now. This one is lamb's ear, which of course is the plant, not the animal. Then we have glacier and peacock and pool. That looks like a very healthy pool. Oh, this is my favorite, everybody. Iris. If you ever make me anything, make it blue purple. Not that I need anything. I have everything I need and more. And then this one is lake, which if the lake was that color, I'd be a little concerned. But there may be a lake, maybe in the Mediterranean, there's some lake there that is perfect for that. So again, this is Palette by Marcia Derse for Windham. This actually started not as a blender for them, and then everybody kept asking for it, so it turned into a blender. And I'll remind you one more time, the Buy Annie local quilt shop contest is going on now. We would love to win as your favorite local quilt shop. We do carry Buy Annie patterns and hardware and mesh and all kinds of things that you need to make Buy Annie bags and products. And her patterns are the best. There's video support for them. And if you haven't made a Buy Annie bag, we also have Tim, who's now teaching our Buy Annie bags. And we have some great classes on our calendar. I hope you have a great day. Tomorrow, I will absolutely be back with the grand prize winners for our 2 baskets for the 9th anniversary sale. Take some time to sew, have some fun today, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.